What's going on YouTube? TABULLYZ here. 4-week update. King Kilo, Queen Sarabi Pups, China Boy, Louis V Line Oro, It Man, HAKA, etc. Pedigree goes down crazy. You know your bloods, you know. We got 2 females available, 1 male available, $500 lock-in fee, $3K pet home price, $5K breeding rights. Send the contract over to you, explaining everything, detail to detail. You'll know. I'm just gonna give an update on the pups, see how they looking. Coming up 4 weeks, Tuesday. So we got 2 females available, 1 male available. All fire. Let's do it. Let's check them out. This here is the only male in the litter. Lilac, white shield, compact. Got a nice little dome on him. He was sleeping, I woke him up. But they've been waking me up all night long, so get back time. Got a nice white chest. He is available. Pressure. We call him Kovu. But if he's yours, you can name him whatever you want. Compact, long tail, nice little dark little strip down the back. Beautiful male, available male, available, pure lilac. This female right here is the biggest one in the litter. She's all lilac, long, full tail, with a white chest. Nice little white piece on her chest. Look at it. She's a big girl. She kind of more so built like her mom. Sarabi's way a little bit bigger than Kilo. Kilo's real micro. But she's gonna be beautiful. She probably has the nicest head in the litter. Beautiful girl. She is available. Lilac. This female here is available. She has the most unique color out of all of them. She has like a sable, orangish, reddish tint to her. Beautiful. I love her. She is adorable. She probably the prettiest one out of the litter. Her and the other big girl, they got the like prettiest look to me. Beautiful. Pet home, breeder. This is gonna be a lovely little dog right here. She is available. See, just let me know, hit me up. Available, female. This female here is the keeper of the litter for me. The most micro to me out of the litter. She is gonna do well in this program. She is not available, but you gotta talk to me nice. If you really want her, if she the one you really want, let's talk. Money talks. She is not available. I'm sorry. I sound like a robot. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful little girl. She got like the blue fawn look on her. They all got their own little unique look, but beautiful little female. Okay, y'all. So y'all seen the pups. 2 females, 1 male available. $500 lock-in fee. $3K pet home price. 5K breeding rights. Send the contract over to you whenever you're ready. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share the vid, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's TABULLYZ here. We're leaving 2024 with our first litter on the ground. These are my first babies. This litter right here. This is it. We're going into 2025 strong. We keeping 1 female in the camp. If you like the female, my keeper, just let me know, talk, we can talk. But if you like one of the 3, just send me a DM, PM on, we on Facebook, we on Instagram, we on YouTube, comment, get in contact with me, like, comment, subscribe. It's TABULLYZ checking out.